Hi, in front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on keyboard and input method. Select manage keyboards and the keyboard. Lastly, just click on text correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!